Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a software that provides text to video, text to speech software called Flicky. If you're someone that wants to start putting out videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all these social media platforms, but then you don't want to show your face, or you're too lazy to do your video recording, filming, then using Flicky is going to help you achieve this goal. So what this tool can actually do is, if you write out your script, what you want to talk about, you can just enter it here, select the voice, whether it's English in US accent, UK accent, Australia accent, or you want to do something in Chinese, Mandarin, or something in French, Italian, whatever. Flicky has those AI voices available to you. So I'm going to show you what is available on their website. So a really cool feature is you can actually put in like a URL and then it will transform your blogs into a video. That's something we will try it out in this tutorial. And of course, their main stuff is on text to speech. So as I mentioned, it has more than 850 voices in 75 different languages with dialects as well. So we're going to try it out, give you some of the samples of their site. So let's look at some of their samples.
Of our world is all electric. It will be decarbonized, decentralized, and above all digitalized from end to end.
So let's look at some of the other ones.
Productivity hacks you need to know. Number 1, remove your phone notifications. I realized that the notifications were just distractions that didn't make me 100% focused on one task at a time.
So these are some of the samples. We can obviously try out their actual voices. And I think they are located somewhere here. Yeah, voice samples. There we go. So let's hear some of the voice samples. We'll go for English first. We'll do United States. So it'll show you whether these are male or female voices. Let's give it a try.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
So Sarah's the one that I think it has really good sound. It sounds really natural.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
The sound from Tony, I think it can always be in those sort of like trailer movies. And let's try Pam.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
So this sounds much more like an adult, senior adult. So let's say you want to try like someone from Africa, so like Tanzania, and see the dialect from them.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Yeah, I've got colleagues in Tanzania and that dialect sound exactly like them. So we can try some in UK.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Emily does sound a bit robotic. It's not my favorite. So I think you kind of get a sense. So there are a lot of like voice actors you can choose and just pick the one that you think it sounds the most natural or it fits for your particular video purpose. So I've logged into the dashboard, the backend of Flicky AI. And to start, you can click on New Files. So let Flicky know you want to just do audio only or you want to do something with video. So we're going to try video today. And what we want to do is a topic around making money in your van. So let's say this is my topic, and then obviously I can use some script writers or other AI copywriters. In this video, I'm going to try to use Creator AI. So going into my Creator AI dashboard, I'm going to find block outline. I'll do this really quick because this is just a sample. So what we can do now is create this portion of the paragraph. And then going back to Flicky, and I'll paste it here. So even though we copy a bunch of text, Flicky was able to determine or separate those words, which is really nice. So here we're going to choose the voice actors. If you want someone in English, USA, voice styles you can choose, your gender you can choose. We've mentioned you can see it's male or female by the little icon here. And those ones with the little lightnings are the ones that you can choose the different voice styles. So each voice actors might have different voice styles. So the one for Sarah, you can actually generate voice in sad mode, shouting mode, terrified mode, which is really interesting. So I might choose friendly for Sarah, and I'll apply all voice for this section. So a quick tip, don't click on this play button, because once you click this play button, it's going to subtract some of the credits. So what you can do is just highlight all these words and then click pronounce. That way, it won't cost you any credits.
If you're looking to make money from your Kindle publishing efforts while living in a van, there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind.
So that sounds pretty good. And what we can do now is just select a video or click on this particular button, auto pick video. And then Flicky is going to search the stock video library based on the keywords that you have in each paragraph. So you will have to do this manually for each of the sections or each block, however you want to call it. So auto pick video. And then I'll keep on processing, or you can only do one at a time. Okay, I've got all the recommended videos plotted inside the editor. So let's take a look at the first one.
If you're looking to make money from your Kindle publishing efforts while living in a van, there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind.
So this particular video, I don't think is too relevant. So if we don't like it, we can just click on the icon here, change my image or video, and then search something related. I just put in someone trying to think. And you can change the duration of this particular block. And then on the second one, let's hear it out.
You'll need to determine what type of Kindle book you want to write. There are a number of different types of Kindle books that you can write, including self-help, fiction, and non-fiction.
Yep, I think that's pretty good. So just rinse and repeat for all these. Make sure that the wordings, the pronunciation is correct. If you want to emphasize a particular word, you can double click on it, click on emphasize, and then you can put it like strong. Or you want to pause a bit more longer after each sentence, what you can do is select after the period, and then add pause. Maybe you want to put in 1 second or 1.5 seconds, for example. That's how you do it. If there are certain words you want to tune the volume or the pitch, you can do that as well. So that's how you edit the quality or the way the AI speaks for you. So I think when you first create your video, you want to make sure that the video is onto the aspect ratio that you want. So let's say you're doing a YouTube, so of course you want to be in the landscape mode. But if you're doing YouTube shorts, then the portrait one will be better for you, and then squares will be like for Instagram or LinkedIn. You can always change the font size. If this font is too small for you, then you can always change it to like large, extra large. If you want it to be like somewhere else, then it can either be top or the bottom, and any other font type. And then if you want like colors on those fonts, so let's say I want something to be red, I'll leave it as red. I'll hit save. So you can see now you got a red background on those words. And let's preview the last one.
Once you've found a market for your Kindle book, you'll need to create a Kindle book proposal. A Kindle book proposal is a document that outlines the book, the market, and the selling points of the book.
So let's say this is all good. You found the right voice actors, all the right video images, and you're happy with it. What you can do is just hit the X. Now, if you want to choose a background audio, background song, something like that, click on More, and then put in background music. Choose background file. So these are the royalty-free audios, background music for you. So you can preview some of these. So let's say we like this one, Daily Hero. We can choose this. And then the volume, let's say I just want the volume to be very low. I'll put in like 50%. I'll click save. And then let's preview one of the sections.
If you're looking to make money from your Kindle publishing efforts while living in a van, there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind.
And let's say the background music is good, you like it, and then all you have to do is just hit the export button. So this is a 30-second video, and it'll take around 3 minutes to process. At this point, you don't have to stay on the screen. You can just close it, do something else, get a coffee. By the time it's done, it's actually going to email you. You'll get a notification saying the video will be ready for download. So you can do something else at this time. I will pause this video, so we'll come back later. So we're back with the video, so you can see. So we are back with the video. It has been generated and we can download the video. So we'll hit download, we'll play it at the same time.
If you're looking to make money from your Kindle publishing efforts while living in a van, there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind. First, you'll need to determine what type of Kindle book you want to write. There are a number of different types of Kindle books that you can write, including self-help, fiction, and non-fiction. Once you've determined the type of Kindle book you want to write, you'll need to find a market for it. There are a number of different ways to find a market for your Kindle book, including using Google AdWords, using paid search engines, and using social media platforms.
Okay, I'm not going to play the whole video. So let's see what else we can do with it. So seems that's pretty much what you need to do. And that's how you generate a text to video on Flicky. It is as simple as it is. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just putting in the right word, find the right voice, put in the royalty video footage, put a nice background music, and you can start uploading these YouTube videos online. I definitely think Flicky is a good tool for this particular category. If you are starting if you're starting a new channel, you want to put out videos, you don't want to show your face, all you want to do is just generate text to video, then Flicky is the great choice. So I do want to talk about the credit usage on Flicky. So this video took around 1 minute and 18 seconds. And you've made changes. If you change the tone, if you change any of the text here, and you hit regenerate the button, it will cost you credit. So it's not the final output. It really depends how many things you've changed. Have you changed the voice actors, etc.? That will consume the credits on this platform. So you click on the account. So today I've used up 4.3 minutes on my account. So if you want to see how the credit works, you can click on this video to see. I think that's where I picked up, highlighting the text and hit the pronounce button to prevent generating or costing you more credits. Okay, let's talk about pricing. So currently, Flicky is running their 50% off Black Friday deal. I think today is the end of the promotion. So let's see their pricing offer. So we previously mentioned that they do offer a free plan. You can get up to 10 minutes of audio and video content output per month. You get all the AI voices, 850 plus voices, 75 languages, 100 plus dialects. You can create videos up to 720p. You can create and host podcasts and audiobooks. I've not tried those two tools yet. I mainly do it for the text-to-speech, text-to-videos. You'll still have access to millions of images, video clips, and then there's no commercial rights, so you can't use these for YouTube's. You'll be able to generate images using AI, and then you access to the freemium community. On the basic plan, which is interesting, it's audio only. So for those who just want to use Flicky for their text-to-speech portion, then go with the basic plan. It'll give you 2 hours of audio content per month. But then if you're watching my video, most likely you're looking for text-to-video. So their standard plan, which gets you up to 3 hours, 180 minutes audio and video content per month. You'll get everything included as the free version, which is all the voices. Voice actors create up to 1080p high full resolution videos, and you'll have the commercial rights to publish it on YouTube or somewhere else. And then their premium level is 600 minutes, and everything is the same. You get dedicated account manager, priority email support. So this is their monthly cost. So if you pay 1 year, then it'll be roughly $14 per month for the standard plan, $44 per month for the premium plan. If you pay by monthly, then the discount isn't that attractive, which is just only 20%. But at this time of this recording, AppSumo does provide Flicky. So if you search for Flicky, they are. So do be careful. The 79, there's actually 2 Flicky offerings on AppSumo. This one is only for text-to-speech. And the one that we want is in the video. Make sure it's the red one. This one will be $189. If we look at the plans, it's up to 180 minutes per month, 850 high quality AI voices, 77 plus languages and dialects. You get the script editor, all the other stuff. It's already included from their pricing plan. So I think it does matches the standard plan on their website. So if you imagine it's $14 per month on the Black Friday deal. So it'll be 14 times 12, which is 168. That will be your first year investment. If you get the one from AppSumo, it'll be $189. But then your second year will be free, and then it goes on forever because you're paying it as a one-time purchase. So do check out Flicky in the AppSumo $189 might be slightly expensive, but you can imagine if you start turning like these kind of like text to videos into YouTube, you can slap an offer at the end, and you'll most likely start making money, and then that $189 will be just like a small expense for you to generate future revenues through your YouTube channel or in any other social media sites. So this wraps up my video review for Flicky. If you like this content, please do leave it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get more updates from my videos content in the future. So I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.